Hi everyone, it's Steve here with another Friday product update. Today I want to be taking you through the permission setup for the API in ConnectWise. Now often when we first engage with customers, they ask us about how to set up their API user to plug into Support Fusion, but then the conversation usually turns to what permissions are required. So in terms of ConnectWise, the first thing you'll need to do is create that API user, but as part of that, you'll need to assign the security role. So let's do that first. If we go to the admin section and security roles, you'll be able to see that you get this list here. And what I've done is I've added a new one called API. And in here, it'll have all of the permissions we need for Support Fusion. So the key ones are in the service desk area, and they relate to being able to read and write to tickets and ticket dependencies. And that's because we do things like add comments and attachments and open and close tickets. So we need to make sure that the add level and edit level are included in those. In addition, if you go to companies, you'll need to set the manage attachments permission if you want to be able to sync attachments back and forward. And also you'll need to allow read access to your customers and contacts. And that's so that we can sync that detail across from the two systems. And also the last one that's really important is in the system area, and that is this table setup. And being able to read the table setup allows us to populate those peak lists when we're doing the field mapping and just setting up the configuration defaults. So that's just a quick overview, and then how that translates to the application. You'll see here, if I pick one of these setups that I've got and we go to something like state, where we're pulling these values directly from ConnectWise to be able to map them, that's what's really required for that table setup permission. So that's how it all links together. I hope you enjoyed that. More detail will be in the documentation we provide, but that's just a quick overview for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.